Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Vantech H2.1 side access ladder for the Ram ProMaster high roof. Let's get into it. All right, I'm super excited about this unboxing because I have not seen one of these in person yet. This is the side access ladder for the Ram ProMaster. It works with the H2.1 cargo style adventure rack, ladder rack, whatever you want to call it, for the Ram ProMaster. This one is specifically for the high roof ProMaster, like the one behind me. I'm going to be installing it on there along with the H2.1 rack, and excited to see what we have going on in the box here. One of the things I love about Vantech is they package their stuff really well, so I know it's always going to arrive to our customers damage-free. Trying to figure out the best way to get this out. All right, this is what I mean when I say it's packaged well. We have like a sub-package system within the box, so stuff is not, that's the biggest thing about heavy objects, is they shift around in transit. That's when you get stuff blowing through boxes and all of that. So everything here is secured in place. May take you a couple minutes to get it out of here, but at least you know it's not going to be messed up. We do have an installation instruction parts list here. This is very important to review. Make sure you have all of your components before you start your install. Nothing more frustrating than getting halfway done and realizing you're missing 2 bolts that you need to finish the job. So I'm just going to unwrap a few of these things and then we'll start going through the boxes. All right, we're in a pretty good place to start talking about what we have going on here. First of all, we have some brackets here. Thinking about the H2.1 system, the ladder rack itself, or the roof rack itself, is aluminum, and so is the side access. So these brackets right here, this is aluminum. Super lightweight, very cool. Anodized black, just like the rack is. I'm assuming 2 of these are for the upper part of the ladder and 2 of these are for the lower part of the ladder. We have a bag here with all of the hardware that we need. So this is all stainless steel. Again, when you're dealing with aluminum, you're keeping that rust away and all of that. So we just have a bunch of different bolts, lock washers, some slider bolts, looks like, and all that. So nice little hardware kit here. It's dual bagged for extra security. And then in this box here, looks like we have our actual steps. So this is just an extruded aluminum product. There's a threaded little part of the step that you're going to use for attaching the step to the side rails, I guess, what you could call it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps for the high roof ProMaster. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything here, well, actually there are, looks like there's a couple different, there's some that have kind of this curvature to them. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then there's some that are straight, like that. So, got all our steps right here. Let's see what we got going on in this box. Nut edge. All right, so got some more steps here. More steps. So what is our count up to now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 steps. And then we have some more bracketry here. Again, this is all aluminum, so it's just crazy what they did on this kit. Brackets that looks like they hold the side supports of the ladder, if you will, probably for the top and bottom portion. Got some more little L brackets here. And just the amount of engineering that went into this little ladder is pretty crazy. 4 of those. We have, looks like our 4 little end caps that go on these ladder rails. I don't know the technical term for it, but let's get these things out and see what they look like. So this is a 1-piece aluminum tube. I don't even know how they did this. Pretty nice. So this goes all the way up to the top of your roof on a high roof ProMaster. We got 2 of these right here. And I'm pretty sure this is an anodized finish, but I could be wrong. So a nice little ladder here. Everything that you need to assemble it, put it together. You have your parts list, you have your installation instructions. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory to get this in place. I believe the way installation works, we're gonna do an installation on the ProMaster behind me, so if you wanna know more on those details, make sure you watch that video. But I believe it's a pretty straightforward installation. You're going to actually integrate with that H2.1 rack on the top. It slides into those channels up at the top, and then underneath, I believe you do have to do some drilling into the frame or somewhere on the bottom of the van to attach the bottom of the ladder to that. But it's a side access ladder, mounts on the side of the van, integrates with the H2.1 rack. Now, if you're looking for this side access ladder or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.